This is what the box looks like when you receive your hot rod hand truck and strap kit in ground shipping. It's a normal cardboard box, 46 inches by 20 by 12, labeled on this side to open the other side. When you open your box, you'll see that there is some assembly required for your hot rod hand truck. Inside the box is a frame and a second box with the wheels and strap kit in it. As you open the big box, you'll see a smaller box inside with the tires and strap kit in it. Take care not to cut too deep. You'll also see the hand truck frame with the clear plastic reusable bag protecting the sandblasted powder coating job. Take care opening this box. You'll see why once you get it opened up. You'll find a sticker for the crossbar, grip tape for the axle, a sheet, please read this, of guidelines for use, including QR code for the YouTube channel, our phone number, and please read that. Nice sticker, another small sticker, and our card, and a thank you. Flexible UHMW plastic fender to protect the new water heater from damage when you're lifting it. Sturdy nylon storage bag. Lowering strap with rubber tipped ends for ease of use. Lifting strap. Sewn on an industrial sewing machine. Rated cinch buckle and rubber sleeve for stiction around the new water heater. Cotter pins go to the axle. 2 tires, hard polyurethane. These are the flat free. These will last longer than the competitors' hand truck tires. They are harder. That means less rolling resistance, longer wear, and we've tried the others. We like these the best. The hot rod hand truck is the best tool on the market for lifting residential water heaters. With proper usage, the hot rod hand truck will save you and your company time and money and prevent injuries on the job site.